What's up, mi amigo? It's Ivan here at Banner Ford in Mandeville. Got your Super Duty F-250. It is a 6.7 diesel power stroke, sport appearance, along with the FX4 four-wheel drive. It is black. Single wheelbase, fixed running boards. Got the fifth wheel camera, heavy duty tow hitch. It's got the heated mirrors. So 6 3/4, so it'll give you the 160 wheelbase. Clear markers on top. All that you can see as on video recorded. I'm just highlighting the features that I'm looking at. You can see yourself. So features that a vehicle has. There's an XL, black with gray interior. Ford Pass Connect, remote starter from your phone, or you do it from the key blade. So let's take a look at some things on the inside. Of course, I can do the cloth seats on the inside, so the XL stepped up to carpeting. Cloth seats. Add additional person on in the front. Get fast charging, your AC, your large screen, your fifth wheel camera, hill descent, exhaust braking, four-wheel drive with locking differential, and trailer brake control. Upper switches, and of course you get the third glass with defroster. I believe it's got 71 German miles from the factory to the lot. Opening your wheel covers, antenna. Additional cup holders. You're responsible for your drivers what drink. Open beverage in Louisiana, that's not a no-no. Get your LED lights. Get your fifth wheel camera looking at your fifth wheel. Decide to put it in there, or if you put a four-wheeler right there. Camera. Manual seating on both sides. You get your up-down windows. Use tilt mirrors or manual. You pull, you extend them out. Push them in, or you manually fold in. Yeah, I know it's in traffic mode. There's your driven miles, cruise control, Bluetooth, radio control, large screen. So this one should have app on CarPlay. Yeah, I know. Your radio control, different sources, your Bluetooth, your apps will work on your phone once you hook it up. Here you go. Your third glass. Your upper switches. And this is a 6.7 diesel. But the only Super Duty I have as of today, November 1st. There you go. It's available here, Banner in Mandeville, Louisiana. Let me know. 985-234-5584. Doesn't go to work for you. New shoes and wheels. Of course, brand new. These are 18s. It is missing the covers. It's on the inside in the package. There. Adios, mi amigos.